Alan Watts was a British philosopher who interpreted and popularized Eastern philosophy for a Western audience. Welcome to Quotes for Your Life, where we explore the wisdom of great thinkers like Alan Watts. Alan Watts's philosophy is centered around the idea that we are all connected and that our individual selves are illusions. He believed that by embracing this interconnectedness, we can find true happiness and fulfillment in life. His lectures and books explore topics like Zen Buddhism, Taoism, and the nature of reality. By studying his philosophy, we can learn to live more meaningful lives. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more great content. We will now explore some of the memorable quotes of Alan Watts.
The only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance.
I have realized that the past and future are real illusions, that they exist in the present, which is what there is and all there is. Never pretend to a love which you do not actually feel, for love is not ours to command.
No valid plans for the future can be made by those who have no capacity for living now. Unless one is able to live fully in the present, the future is a hoax. Trying to define yourself is like trying to bite your own teeth. But to me, nothing in the negative, the empty, is exceedingly powerful. And the attitude of faith is the very opposite of clinging to belief, of holding on. A myth is an image in terms of which we try to make sense of the world. So what is discord at one level of your being is harmony at another level. But at any rate, the point is that God is what nobody admits to being, and everybody really is. We cannot be more sensitive to pleasure without being more sensitive to pain. I owe my solitude to other people. You and I are all as much continuous with the physical universe as a wave is continuous with the ocean. The ego is nothing other than the focus of conscious attention. But the attitude of faith is to let go, and become open to truth, whatever it might turn out to be. The reason we want to go on and on is because we live in an impoverished present. Omnipotence is not knowing how everything is done, it's just doing it. Technology is destructive only in the hands of people who do not realize that they are one and the same process as the universe. Faith is a state of openness or trust. But we try to pretend, you see, that the external world exists altogether independently of us.
Thank you very much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye for now.